Hey guys, here's where we render our final value conclusion derived off of our property tax adjustment categories data. Keep in mind that the gross adjustments, that's the total adjustment measuring the differences between any comparable property, that's a house and a lot, to the subject shouldn't be any greater than 25%. And the net adjustments, that's reflecting a specific adjustment for a factor that the comp has or doesn't have compared to your home shouldn't be any more than 15% of the sales price. Uh, of course, the comparables should be as much like your home as possible, or your subject's home. Uh, but if it was a large adjustment because there weren't any comparables found to reflect that uh, adjustment, a large adjustment, if it's necessary, you need to have an addendum narrative with an explanation and the evidence to prove that point. Here is an example of an analysis sheet where we tabulate any adjustments. We gave a plus or minus valuation price to our three comparables for any difference found against the subject property. Now keep in mind that at the end, net adjustments should be no greater than 15% of the sales price. In this example here, we show the final value conclusion, which is a summation of all the residential market analysis that we had done before. Now, you want to make sure that you have the assessor's comps and call him out if his adjustments exceed the 15% rule or the 25% rule when it comes to the structure itself and the property combined. Um, since your comps meet that rule and his don't, his are invalid and yours are valid. This slide, we come up with our final value conclusion. So what we do is we add up the current assessed land value, the current assessed improved value, and come up with the current assessed total value, which the tax assessor tells us this dwelling is worth. Now our appraised value as that certain date comes up to $301,000. And we notice we have the director's sales ratio of 51.7%. So to come up with the suggested assessed value, we multiply the sales ratio times the sales price. That's the sales market price that we derived at. And we come up with a suggested assessed value of $155,600 rounded off. If you haven't watched all the other videos, please go back and watch them. By the way, our next video, I'm going to be revealing the final market value property tax appeal presentation layout, and it's going to be the icing on the cake. So subscribe to the channel to get the 10-part series, and you see the link in the description, and we'll go through the 10 essentials for a property tax appeal, which you'll get from the page link below this video, or for another way, you can see all those links in the free training series by clicking subscribe. Post your thumbs up below for our free training and leave us a comment, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.